Hello and welcome to Pishe Creations channel. Thanks for the previous reviews which you all had given for my last several videos. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I have something new to share with you all. What I have done is we have stitched a 6-panel kurta. This is not the general kurta where it has side slits. It has no side slits and it has a moderate flare down. Some prefer still no side slits kurtas for their own comforts. So we have done this 6-panel kurta in a cotton silk. I mean to say it's a khadi silk which doesn't need lining. Fabric is quite thick and it can withhold nice embroidery for long period. The fabric quality is very good and we have done a machine embroidery on the neck. This embroidery is done by us. This is done with cream and silver zar. Customer's preferences, she is going to wear this with a cream legging and cream dupatta with a 3/4 sleeves, and as I have told you, it's with a good amount of flare. She prefers to wear this with leggings. So these types of kurtas also look good even today also. These were in trend 20 years back. Again they are slowly coming back to the trend nowadays. Let me have your feedback from you all about this kurta. So today I am going to discuss about this khadi silk kurta. This is pure khadi silk, and once again we have done this with a 6-panel cutting, done very fine beautiful embroidery here with chain lace, katdana, salli and French knots. These all you don't get in the these all you don't get it in the ready-mades to your taste, to your color combinations and your matching. Generally it will be very loud embroidery till here where many customers don't like, and they would ask us to do something very neat and gentle work here. This is done with fine beads work and everything here. The same embroidery is repeated on the sleeves also, and related to that we have put small buttas all over the body because it's a plain fabric and we don't want all these things to go plain. So we prefer to put all these buttas and make it a little more richer. This is a very good formal wear dress, can be worn for some formal occasions or wedding. Also, as I have told you, it's made out of pure khadi silk. That's why because of khadi silk I have put the lining also, so that there could be a long duration to wear this. Khadi silks also in a long duration it gives away if they are not put with lining. But I would always prefer to put the lining for khadi silks. If it is only khadi I don't put, but whereas when it comes out to khadi silk, linings are a must and should because from inside it gives away faster. So today I have something new to share about this tussar silk top. This tussar silk top, a customer had asked me to take a tussar silk fabric and do a customized embroidery for her, and we have done this also. How we have done this embroidery is we have done it in a hand embroidery around the neck with neat embroidery, French knots, small zero size of beads is all used in this. So I have matched this to wear with a onion pink legging and dupatta or a mehendi green bottom and dupatta, which generally everybody has it. So equivalently small French knot buttas all over the body I have spread up to the knee. This is the way it is. Once again it is very neatly done job on a pure tussar silk top with a very subtle and sober looking embroidery. Same amount of embroidery we have done on the sleeves also here. And we have not put buttas on the sleeves because customer had asked not to put it so. These kinds of very subtle and neat embroideries you hardly find in ready-mades. That's why we get such enquiries and we buy the fabric, then do the embroidery, then do it. One thing let me tell you, these all things cannot be done at very quick service. It will at least take minimum 3 weeks because we have to buy the fabric, do the embroidery, then do stitching, then by the time it goes to the hanger. Of late many inquiries I get just within 2-3 days, can I do the embroidery, buy the fabric? No, nothing. All these detailed types of work will take at least minimum 3 weeks. So this is the new thing I wanted to share with you all with tussar silk fabric, with this neat and gentle embroidery, with stitching. It will cost you 3,750. this is only for price of kurta. Generally people nowadays have their own leggings and dupatta, or they have their own setups of dupatta and bottom. So this is the price told only for the kurta with fabric and embroidery. Thanks for watching my channel once again.